Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
Good morning, guys. So don't even mind this hair of mine, but I need to go to school and late. Okay. Jesus. Alright, guys, I don't know if you guys were hearing it properly or whatever, but I'm at school, right? And I was told 8 o'clock. It is after 8 and the place is empty and I'm upset. Come on, I left everything. My mom left my food. I'm not eating that much and I'm upset. But anyways, I'm gonna edit the vlog for yesterday so I can upload it early today and not be late. So yeah, I end up pulling on this way. Probably need to run some more water in it to like cure some, because I fell off the hair and we can't find it. The hair couldn't pull it right now for comb to look good. Never does this sense. So this is the results of what it is. So I'm gonna run some water and this is first. You say, guys, the place empty. But yeah, let's go to the bathroom. We interrupt this video to give you today's emojis. Just thought I'll switch it up today and put it here instead of at the end. So these are the emojis. Try and guess what they are. Yeah. Hi guys. Yeah, the ear come off as we reach home. So I'm now home. I'm back I'm reunited. Hi honey. Yeah, so I actually got food from the school. So I bought her food and we split it half and half. So yes, we're gonna actually eat.
Share, you just share.
Yeah, sure. So we're gonna eat right now and then my doctor well clean again. So later. Hey guys, so I'm home as I said. I finished eating lunch. Right now I'm gonna actually tackle the kitchen, which by the thumbnail you probably know that's what I'm doing. So yes, I'm gonna tackle the kitchen. I don't know, tired, but we got to do it, so we're gonna do it. All right guys, so the kitchen is right now, it's in, I'm gonna just show you. So this is the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys why. So we painted the walls. It was blue. It was this color actually. We should have painted this. I don't know why that didn't paint it, but I never remember. So we painted and everywhere was also painted. So he painted the wall of the cupboard, so we had to take out like pretty much everything, like everything. So the wall was painted, even the floor right there was painted, because that wasn't tiled. So my first task right now, I'm gonna take on the pantry. So I need to push it back. I need to like sweep right behind it and all of that and push it back so that I can start on this. There's a lot to clean, and then we are gonna try and make this also a food place, because this is not enough. This is just overflowing with stuff and it's not neat anymore because we don't have enough space. So the aim for the first part is to clean over on this side, everything on this side first, then we move on to the cupboard, and I think the fridge will be last, because the fridge I'm gonna need to take things out, and if I'm taking things out I'm gonna need somewhere to put it. So I don't know if to put it yet, so I'm gonna need to, you know, fix the cupboards first. Okay, so we're starting with the pantry first. I'm gonna set up the camera and then we can go. Alright guys, so meanwhile I'm going to clean. I'm actually watching my dad's. Alright guys, so I have cleaned. So the glass almost dropped and broke from me. This one did already come out. It didn't break actually. But I've cleaned it. It's so cute. My mom said she wanted to paint it, but I can't wait. But the thing is, if you guys can see, these are not dirt. They're actually scraped. So like when you try to rub it and stuff like that, you can actually see it wants to paint. So she's gonna have to paint it another time because I can't wait. I need to fix it up because we need to finish. So yeah, it actually looks so clean, so white. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack up what should be packed in there. I'm thinking Shanik said season down here, so, and then we have tin stuff over here. So I'm gonna see how that works. All right guys, so this is where we are at. I did up there. I still have a few more things to put in, but I'm here. I'm in the tea slash, what do you call this? We'll just put the baking things right here, like the coloring and so I don't have nowhere else to put them, so we'll keep them there. So I'm fixing up the tea, but here's what I want to do. So these boxes, they are them Ben and some of them mash up, and I'm like but I want them to be able to know what tea's in it. So what I'm gonna do is like cut off this part and put in the bag along with the tea bag. Yeah, so that's the aim right now. So alright guys, this is the update of the kitchen. We got Mama Bear. Yesterday was her anniversary. I forgot to tell you guys that, but happy belated anniversary. So how was yesterday, Mother? Interview time.
Superb.
It was superb.
Yes.
Awesome. And how was your little surprise? Did you like it? Did you like it?
Yes.
Yay! Alright guys, it is currently very late. Today's vlog is actually gonna be late because I think it's about 7 or somewhere there right now, and the video is not yet finished editing because I'm just ending it, and then I need to upload it. So hopefully it won't take so long to upload like other days. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, you know, for always supporting. If you haven't subscribed, you should go ahead and subscribe. Today's unscrambled goes to Amoy Johnson. Thank you so much for responding, and you got it right. As I said earlier in the video, I do not have a emoji shout out because I forgot to put it in the video. It's when my sister was watching and she's like, where's the emojis? I actually realized I didn't put it in. I forgot. So I did try and put it in the comments, but you guys didn't look like you didn't see it, so nobody got that one. So I'm gonna reuse it in today's video, as you guys saw in the previous clips. Yeah. So yeah, those are the shout outs. I don't think I got any motivational comments either. So yes, that's that. So yes guys, thanks so much for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.